Namaste. We've got a lot of vegetables which were started from seed, which need to be going out in the garden this week and next week. We finally have pleasant weather where these can be transplanted in the garden. This is a pepper plant which was started about 3 months ago, so I've got a nice growth and lots of roots underneath. Peppers do not have very deep root. They kind of, for a ball of roots, they don't need to be planted very, very deeply. So they kind of grew their roots on a surface level. So when you water them, that is why they kind of water hungry, because they don't have a lot of root system to carry or suck the water from underneath. So you do have to kind of water them more regularly than your tomato plants. Tomatoes have very, very deep root system. Actually planted, you can leave only this much on top of the soil, and all of this can go down into your soil. All these shiny things you're seeing, those are all going to be roots if you plant them deep inside, and they need to be watered very thoroughly because they have a tendency to absorb water because they have so much root. They're like very, very hungry, and they have a good capacity to hold a lot of water in their body. They grow very tall, so they need more water. This is a Romanesco zucchini. So this is a zucchini squash plant, summer squash. So they need a lot of space. This was started only a month ago, maybe 5 weeks. So they take up a lot of space. So give a lot of space to your zucchini. So you probably will need like 1 or 2 zucchini plants for your entire family. And they need a lot of staking. So the plant will actually become very wobbly very quickly. And they get a lot of diseases if they don't sit upright. So I usually put a stake and then plant them and then give them a lot of space to grow. These eggplants were started about 2 months ago, and they've gotten a good size. I've got only 3 plants, only 2 varieties. This was a green variety, which is called Gulla, which is like a round green eggplant. And this is Rim Jim, which gives like variegation on the eggplants, which is very buttery and tasty, and I love it. So this, they get a lot of diseases. The problem with eggplants is they have Japanese beetles, which will come and sit on them and then demolish the plant. A good thing is I usually put a cover on them for a long period of time, or one of the things I've noticed is if I plant them amongst lots of flowers, the bugs which come to eat, like the butterflies and the bugs which come to land on the flowers, will also eat some of the bugs. That seems to be a little bit of a better solution to the eggplants. I will keep you guys updated as when I plant and what's happening with the garden soon. Take care.